Pranam to all. So as you all know, my mom uses homemade fertilizer for her organic garden. You may be surprised to hear that the things that we throw away in the trash bin are actually useful for our garden. So today I will talk about that one homemade fertilizer. As you all know, this is the onion peel. We usually throw the onion peels away, but today we will use it in our garden. Do you want to know about some unbelievable onion skin uses and benefits? So first, Chhoti will make onion peel fertilizer. There are two methods to make onion peel fertilizer. One is to boil the onion peels for a few minutes in water, and the other method is to soak the onion peels in water for 24 hours. So we use the second method. So take 2 to 3 handfuls of onion peels and drop it in 1 liter of water. Then allow it to soak for 24 hours. After 24 hours, strain out the liquid and use it as a liquid fertilizer. Then dilute it with 1:1 in water. You can use it once in 15 days to see the effect in about 3 months. Onion peels have a good amount of plant nutrients like sulfur, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, and copper. You can spray the onion peel fertilizer on the foliage of the plant. Onion skin and peels have antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. You can also use it as a rooting agent. The antimicrobial properties of onion skins make them perfect to act as a rooting agent. Take a bowl full of onion skins, grind them together in a mixture, and add 4 to 5 spoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Mix them very well. Then dip the cuttings in the paste before rooting them for successful propagation. You can compost onion skins and peelings and get nutrient-rich compost. To counter their rotting smell, bury them a few inches deep in your compost pile or soil. But keep in mind, avoid adding it in a warm composting bin. Adding peels to the compost balances its pH while lowering the acidity. It also reduces soil compaction. You can spray the onion peel fertilizer in almost all the plants, such as oleander plant, rose plant, hibiscus plant, etc. You can dilute the onion peel fertilizer with water, or you can directly give it to the soil. My mom sprays it to the foliage and then gives it to the soil also. Sometimes some of you may have this question in your mind that if we can spray this onion peel fertilizer to our indoor plants also? The answer is yes. It can be used for indoor plant as well as outdoor plants. My mom also uses it in our kitchen garden. Use using it in 3 to 4 months proves it to be sufficient in promoting plant health. Onion skin is so nutritious for the plant, so just don't throw it away. Most of you may know by now that what is mulching. We have already uploaded a video about mulching, so you can watch that video. Use the leftover onion skins for mulching. The dry peels will decompose soon and enrich your soil with potassium and calcium. So before mulching, my mom grinds the onion peel in the grinder. If you do organic gardening without using any chemical, pesticide and fertilizer, then you can use onion peel as an pesticide also. So to make the pesticide, you need onion with onion peel, then grind it, then mix it with water, then steam the water and then spray it to your plant. So now, never throw onion peels away. If you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.